Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So today I'm going to show you what is the price of molasses, and you can see there are a lot of box and pot of molasses. So already I asked and many people, and already I asked many farmers what is the price of molasses of day. So farmer said only 120 taka, only 120 taka and 110 taka per kg or per kilo. So this market is very nice because sorry, I forgot, this marketplace name is Hulaigari Bazar Chamari Shingra Nathur. So every day, and especially Saturday and Wednesday, farmer bring the molasses for selling the molasses. So farmer and businessman happy for buying molasses. So please, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Really, I cannot speak English, but I try how to improve English speaking. But if I mistake any word or any sentence, please teach me and help me. So bye, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Inshallah, see you again.